All right, let's unpack this. There's an incredible buzz right now, just this palpable energy around artificial intelligence.
Okay.
And specifically, the practical ways, to actually generate income with it in 2025.
Right. It feels like it's everywhere.
It really does. Everywhere you look, it seems like someone's found a new sort of ingenious approach to leverage AI for, well, financial gain.
Yeah, but sorting through it all,
Yeah.
that's the challenge, isn't it?
Exactly. With so much noise, how do you figure out what's genuinely viable, what's actually practical, and what's, just hype?
Mm-hmm.
So that's our core mission today on the deep dive. We've meticulously, and I mean meticulously, siphoned through this massive stack of sources.
Lots of reading.
Oh, yeah. Countless articles, extensive research, our own sort of deep dives into the tech itself, all to extract the most important nuggets of knowledge and insight for you.
Kind of like a shortcut.
Exactly. Consider this your definitive shortcut to being truly well-informed on realistic AI income opportunities.
That's valuable.
And what makes this truly compelling, I think, is that we're finding these opportunities aren't just for the super techie folks.
No, not at all.
We're going to illuminate everything from, creative endeavors to highly specialized services, and really emphasize that you absolutely don't need to be a tech expert to leverage AI for income.
That's a key point.
Many of these tools are surprisingly beginner-friendly. It's opening up avenues for almost anyone, really, looking to generate a new revenue stream.
What's truly fascinating here is precisely that shift you're describing. It's profound. AI has, well, it's undeniably transformed from this purely technical domain, right? Once only accessible to a select few with advanced coding knowledge.
Right, you needed a computer science degree, practically.
Pretty much. And now, it's become this incredibly accessible, user-friendly tool for individuals seeking to generate income.
Mm-hmm.
We're really witnessing its democratizing effect ripple across all sorts of industries, enabling people from incredibly diverse backgrounds. I mean, artists, administrators, writers, you name it, to actively participate in this new economic landscape.
So it's less about building the algorithms.
Exactly. It's no longer about building complex algorithms from scratch. It's much more about understanding how to effectively apply the existing powerful AI tools.
Okay.
Applying them to solve real-world problems, create tangible value, and crucially, scale your efforts way beyond what was previously imaginable.
Okay, so before we really dive deep into the specific strategies, let's set some clear expectations, because there's this pervasive misconception out there.
The hype cycle.
Totally fueled by the hype cycle, yeah. That AI is some kind of magic bullet, that it'll just deposit money into your account without any effort.
If only.
Right. Let's be absolutely crystal clear right from the start. AI is not a get-rich-quick hack.
Definitely not.
Generating income with AI absolutely requires human input. It needs strategic thinking, careful refinement, and often, significant creative effort to really harness its power.
It's a tool. A powerful one, but still a tool.
Exactly. Not an automatic revenue generator.
And if we connect this to the bigger picture, AI's true utility, its real value, lies not in replacing human effort, but in its profound ability to amplify human capability.
Amplify. That's a good word for it.
Yeah. Its value isn't in making you redundant, thankfully. It's in its capacity to dramatically save time, exponentially boost creativity, and automate those repetitive, sometimes mind-numbing tasks.
The drudgery.
The drudgery, exactly. Tasks that can, in turn, generate significant income when you redirect that saved time.
So it makes you more efficient.
It does, but think of it this way. AI doesn't just make a productive person more efficient. It makes an experienced person even more productive.
Ah, okay. Interesting distinction.
It allows them to focus on the higher value stuff, right? The strategic, the deeply creative components of their work.
Give me an example.
Okay, so an AI can, say, draft an initial outline for a complex research paper in seconds.
Right.
Boom, there it is. But you, the human expert, you're the one who refines that outline. You infuse it with your unique insights, ensure factual accuracy, make it truly resonate with a specific audience.
But AI provides the skeleton.
Precisely. The AI provides the scaffold, but you build the masterpiece.
And that brings us straight to a really crucial point, one we probably can't overstate enough.
The human element.
The indispensable role of the human touch, because while AI can generate, impressive drafts, conduct vast data analyses, even create stunning visuals.
It can do amazing things.
It really can. But it fundamentally lacks that nuanced understanding, right? That deep emotional intelligence, that authentic, relatable voice that only humans possess.
Yeah, the empathy, the context.
Your personal experience Yes, those unique anecdotes that really connect with an audience, a perfectly timed joke, maybe?
Yeah, the stuff that makes content feel real.
Exactly. Or a specific angle on a topic that only your unique perspective can provide. These things are absolutely essential to, well, humanize the content.
Make it relatable.
Make it relatable, engaging, and ultimately effective. This really reinforces that AI fundamentally enhances, rather than replaces, genuine human creativity and connection.
It's a partnership.
It's the ultimate synergy, really. AI handles the heavy lifting, the rapid iteration, the data processing, and you, the human, add the soul, the strategy, the irreplaceable element of true connection. Okay, here's where it gets really interesting, I think. Because AI isn't just tweaking content creation.
No, it's shaking it up completely.
It's fundamentally revolutionizing it across so many different formats, and it's opening up opportunities that were honestly unimaginable just a few short years ago.
Pace is incredible.
It is. We're seeing this explosion in demand for all types of content, and AI is basically your accelerator pedal. Hashtag AI-assisted writing services. Let's start by diving into the world of writing. AI has opened up this entirely new dimension for freelance writers, for content creators.
Huge implications here.
Huge. You can now offer an incredibly wide range of services. I mean, everything from general freelance writing to super specialized content marketing for businesses.
Drafting compelling copy.
Right, copywriting that actually converts, generating endless blog posts on demand, developing snappy ad copy for all sorts of platforms, designing engaging email campaigns.
Social media posts, product descriptions. The list goes on.
It really does. The sheer volumes of content needed by businesses today is just immense. It far exceeds what traditional methods can supply.
And AI helps bridge that gap.
Exactly. AI helps you meet that demand with remarkable efficiency and scale.
So what tools are we talking about specifically?
Good question. We're talking about powerhouses like ChatGPT. It's an absolute wizard for, rapid drafting, brainstorming ideas, outlining complex articles, generating catchy headlines.
Headlines are key.
Totally. Headlines that improve click-through rates, even crafting precise meta descriptions for SEO. It's incredibly versatile.
And beyond ChatGPT.
Then you have more specialized tools. Think Jasper, WriteSonic, WriteER, Copy.ai. These are particularly strong in marketing copy, crafting persuasive emails, generating really engaging social media content.
Because they're trained on that kind of data.
Exactly. Often trained on vast data sets of high-performing marketing copy, so they have this sort of inherent understanding of what converts. And for SEO focus.
Yeah, what about SEO?
Tools like Undetectable AI SEO Writer are interesting. They help you produce content that's not just optimized for search engines to rank higher, but also humanized.
Humanized.
Meaning it reads more naturally, more engagingly for the actual audience, not just for the algorithm.
Got it. That makes sense.
And to give you a really tangible example of the kind of strategic precision AI enables, imagine a writer who used to charge maybe $30 per article.
Okay.
Because of the time and effort involved, right? Research, drafting. By leveraging AI for better prompting, for rapid iteration, for keyword optimization, that same writer could potentially now charge $150 for the exact same article.
Wow, that's a big jump. Same time spent.
Pretty much. Same amount of time spent, maybe even less, but with significantly better positioning in the market. Why? Because you're delivering higher quality, more optimized, strategically refined content much, much faster.
So it's not just speed, it's the quality and strategy.
Precisely. It's the strategic advantage AI provides. You can rapidly iterate on different angles, different tones, different keyword optimizations. You're providing clients a level of content refinement that was previously just too expensive or time-consuming.
But the human is still essential.
Absolutely essential. Cannot stress this enough. AI provides the raw material, right? The initial draft, the structural framework, but it's the skilled human copywriter who brings that unique hook or angle.
That nuance.
That nuanced understanding of audience psychology, brand voice, market trends, stuff AI currently cannot fully replicate. That's what ensures the content truly stands out and hits its objective.
And proofreading.
Oh, non-negotiable.
Yeah.
Always, always proofread and meticulously edit all AI-generated output for accuracy, clarity, factual correctness, and crucially, to inject your own irreplaceable personal voice. Never, ever skip that step.
Sound advice. #tech building faceless YouTube channels.
Okay, moving beyond text. Another massive opportunity is emerging on platforms like YouTube.
Ah, the YouTube gold rush continues.
It does, specifically for those interested in generating income without needing to appear on camera. This is the intriguing, fast-growing world of faceless YouTube channels.
I've seen these. They can be surprisingly popular.
Right. And AI makes the entire production process surprisingly achievable and scalable.
Yeah.
Think about the popular niches that thrive in this format. Motivation, fact channels, personal finance deep dives.
Even weirdly specific music genres.
Exactly, like Celtic fantasy, medieval kick music, or whatever.
Yeah.
The beauty of this model is your personal presence isn't tied to the content.
Which means more freedom.
Immense creative freedom. Yeah.
Yeah.
Scalability across multiple niches and, a certain level of anonymity if that's what you prefer.
So how does AI help with the actual production?
The whole process can be broken down into a pretty efficient workflow, all powered by AI. First, scripting.
Okay.
You can use powerful tools like ChatGPT again to generate compelling, engaging video scripts based on your chosen topic.
Makes sense. Then voiceover.
Yep. AI voice generators like 11 Labs or Murph AI, they provide incredibly natural-sounding narration, often indistinguishable from human voices, really.
The quality has gotten scary good.
It really has, complete with various accents, tones. Next, the video creation itself.
How does that work without filming?
Platforms like Pictory, InVideo, Lumen 5, or Synthesia, they can generate full videos directly from your scripts, from text to video. Yeah, they pull in relevant stock footage, images, add text overlays, even animated content. Some can pretty much automate the whole thing.
Wow. And editing.
For the final polish, AI-enhanced editors like Clipchamp are super useful, especially its AI silence remover tool.
Oh, that sounds handy.
It's brilliant, especially for talking head-style videos, even if it's just a voiceover. It automatically cuts out awkward pauses, dead air, makes the content flow much more smoothly.
Nice. So how do these channels make money?
Primarily through YouTube's partner program. Reported earnings typically range maybe $3 to $8 per $1,000 views for long-form videos. Depends heavily on the niche and audience demographics, of course.
Right, ad revenue.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Oh, yeah. Many savvy creators significantly boost their income by selling print-on-demand merchandise, t-shirts, mugs, whatever, tailored to their channel's theme.
Smart diversification.
Totally. And if you want a concrete success story, we've seen examples of synthetic YouTube channels, meaning entirely AI-generated script to voice to video, accumulating over 13 million views in less than a year.
13 million, that's huge.
It's massive. And it's estimated that a channel like that could earn between, say, $41,000 to over $110,000 in that short period. Plus, don't forget the merch sales potentially layered on top. It's a powerful demonstration of what's possible combining AI with smart content strategy.
Definitely food for thought. Hashtag AI-generated art and design.
Okay, from words and videos, let's shift our focus to the visual arts. AI has truly revolutionized this landscape, too.
Making designers nervous, maybe, or empowered.
A bit of both, perhaps. It's made it accessible for individuals to create really stunning graphics quickly, even with zero prior design experience.
Just type and create.
Pretty much. Imagine conjuring up unique, high-quality images with just a few descriptive text prompts. It's kind of amazing.
So what do you do with this AI art?
You can sell it in a ton of different forms,
Right.
as digital files, for commercial or personal use, as physical prints for home decor.
On merchandise.
Definitely. T-shirts, mugs, phone cases, also as NFTs, non-fungible tokens on blockchain platforms, or license them through traditional stock image libraries.
Photos, man.
Yep. Or even offer custom design services for businesses, helping them enhance their websites, their marketing campaigns.
So which AI tools are we talking about here?
The key players in this space include Midjourney, DLE, and Stable Diffusion. These are fantastic for generating unique, high-quality artwork from text prompts. They're the powerhouses for pure image generation.
Okay. What about more general design?
For that, you have versatile platforms like Canva AI, ImageFX, and Leonardo AI. They offer powerful features to integrate AI into existing design workflows or generate new assets easily.
And for editing?
Then there's Photoshop Generative Fill, game changer, and Visual Electric. Photoshop Generative Fill lets you seamlessly expand images, remove objects. It's incredible. Cuts down editing time massively.
Right. And Visual Electric?
Visual Electric offers unique styles and prompts, really good for creating cohesive visual brand identities across different platforms.
So where do people actually sell this stuff?
Good question. Platforms like Etsy are huge for digital prints and physical merchandise. OpenSea is a prime marketplace for NFTs.
And for print-on-demand merch?
Society6 and Redbubble are big names there. For stock images, think Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. You mentioned you tried Adobe Stock. I did. Just experimenting, really. I uploaded about 50 images, mostly abstract stuff I generated quickly, and I've made about $50 so far.
Hey, That's something. Passive income.
Exactly. It's absolutely a volume game, no doubt. But it works. And surprisingly, my best seller is the simple paint-splattered heart design.
Huh. You never know what will resonate.
You really don't. It's fascinating how a simple, fun image created quickly with AI can actually connect and generate passive income.
That's a fantastic validation, and it really proves the accessibility, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But I wonder, with AI making art generation so easy, how do creators avoid getting lost in the noise?
Yeah, the commoditization trap.
Exactly. How does your paint-splattered heart stand out when millions of similar images could be generated? This raises an important question. How can we ensure AI-generated images don't look, well, too perfect?
Too AI-ish.
Precisely. That overly polished look can sometimes feel less authentic, maybe less relatable to a discerning eye.
So how do you combat that? Add some grit.
You can. There are a few actionable tips when crafting your prompts to infuse more realism or a unique style. First, detail is key. Be way more specific in your prompts.
Like how?
Instead of just a landscape, you might add subtle cues like photo posted on Facebook Reddit or low camera quality phone photo, maybe shot on a vintage film camera.
Ah, mimicking real-world imperfections.
Exactly. These cues guide the AI to replicate the quirks and styles of real photography or specific art movements. Second, for tools like Midjourney, play with the stylize parameter, usually SO followed by a number.
What does that do?
It controls how much artistic flair or beautification the AI adds by default. Using S0, for instance, tells Midjourney to be more literal, less artsy, sticking closer to your prompt.
Okay, less interpretation from the AI.
Right. And similar, the raw style command, which is style raw in Midjourney, is fantastic. It forces the AI to adhere much more closely to your exact text prompt.
Giving you more control.
Significantly more control. It helps avoid that overly polished AI-perfect output. These small, deliberate tweaks in your prompting can make a huge difference in the perceived realism and uniqueness, helping your art stand out.
That's really useful advice. Little knobs to turn for better results. Hashtag tag have AI-powered music and audio production. Okay, let's shift gears again. Let's talk about a truly creative and maybe often overlooked niche, using AI to generate original music and audio.
Music generation. That feels very cutting edge.
It is, and it opens up entirely new possibilities beyond traditional music production. It's fundamentally altering how sound is created and consumed.
So what can you do with it?
Well, you can now effortlessly create bespoke background tracks for videos, podcasts, games, package them up as royalty-free bundles, and sell them to content creators.
Ah, like a stock music alternative.
Exactly. Or even offer highly specialized niche subscriptions. Think meditation music for deep sleep or lo-fi beats for intense focus.
Very specific.
Super specific. This is a stark contrast to the traditional musician's model, touring, physical sales. This offers a scalable, potentially passive income stream.
Interesting. What are the tools for this?
They're evolving rapidly and getting incredibly sophisticated. Suno, for example, is remarkably powerful.
Suno. S-U-N-N-O.
Yep. It can create basically any type of music in whatever niche genre you can imagine. From just a simple melody to a fully orchestrated piece based solely on your text descriptions.
Just from text. That's wild.
It is. Other excellent tools like AIVA and Moobert are also fantastic for generating unique tracks. And for the production side,
Yeah, mastering and stuff.
Landai offers AI-assisted mastering services, gives your tracks that professional, polished sound with minimal effort. Isotope RX is industry standard for noise reduction, spectral repair essential for cleaning up audio.
Right, getting rid of hums and clicks.
Exactly. And Nectar 4 is perfect for vocal mixing and mastering, ensuring crisp, clear, professional-sounding vocals if you're adding voiceovers or singing.
So how do you make money with AI music?
YouTube's monetization program is a big one, especially for Suno creators. Reported earnings are similar to video, maybe $3 to $8 per 1,000 views.
Okay.
Licensing the music directly is another highly lucrative route. Selling it to content creators, game developers, filmmakers.
Right, for commercial use.
Exactly.
Right.
And what's really cool is that Suno offers a truly generous free plan. You get 100 initial credits, then 50 new credits daily.
Daily. Wow.
Yeah, that allows you to generate roughly 10 songs per day for free.
That's a phenomenal starting point.
It really is. Anyone interested can just dive in, explore, build a substantial audio library for potential commercial use. The barrier to entry is incredibly low here, and the creative possibilities are just boundless.
Another area where AI is just blowing the doors open.
Okay, let's pivot now. Let's talk about a particularly significant market demand. This represents a huge opportunity: AI consulting and integration services.
Helping businesses actually use AI effectively.
Precisely. Many companies, especially, small to medium-sized businesses and even larger, more established legacy organizations, they really struggle.
You know they need it, but don't know how.
Exactly. They recognize the undeniable need to adopt AI to stay competitive, to stay relevant, but they often lack the internal expertise, the strategic roadmap, or even just the basic understanding of how to bridge that gap between wanting AI and actually implementing it effectively.
That's where the consultant comes in.
That's precisely where you, as a knowledgeable AI consultant, come in. Your role is to provide highly tailored solutions.
Tailored being the key word.
Absolutely. Solutions to streamline AI adoption, optimize existing AI workflows, and critically deliver measurable results. You essentially help businesses unlock AI's true potential.
Making their teams more productive.
Making their existing teams even more productive, making their operations far more efficient. This could involve, say, a deep analysis of their current business processes to pinpoint where AI can deliver the most impact.
Finding the low-hanging fruit.
Right. Suggesting practical improvements, creating personalized, highly effective prompts specifically for their AI tools and tasks, training their teams on how to use AI effectively and ethically.
Training is huge.
Crucial. And even building automated systems for things like lead generation, customer support, or general workflow optimization.
So who needs this? What kind of clients?
The range is incredibly broad. We're talking SMBs looking for an edge, marketing agencies desperate to automate content creation and ad optimization.
E-commerce brands.
Definitely. E-commerce brands aiming to improve customer interactions, personalized shopping experiences, and those big legacy companies trying to modernize their often outdated systems and processes.
What tools enable this kind of consulting?
You'd be using powerful automation platforms like Zapier, no-code app builders like Bubble and Glide for rapid prototyping without deep coding.
Making solutions tangible quickly.
Exactly. Productivity hubs like Notion, Airtable, Google Sheets, all significantly enhanced with AI, Vappy for AI-powered data extraction, and tools like CustomGPT.ai let you create highly customizable chatbots trained on a business's own knowledge base.
For smart customer support.
Instant, accurate customer support, yeah.
So how do consultants monetize this? What are the models?
They're varied and honestly, potentially very lucrative. You can charge substantial one-time setup fees for initial integration project.
Get them up and running.
Right. Or, perhaps more appealingly long-term, establish monthly retainers for ongoing optimization support, strategic guidance.
Recurring revenue. Nice.
Very nice. Top consultants in this field are reportedly charging thousands and thousands of dollars for project engagements, or even several hundred, sometimes several $1,000s per hour for specialized strategic advice.
Wow. High-value expertise.
It really is, and the market opportunity is just vast and growing incredibly rapidly. McKinsey found that a staggering 92% of companies plan to increase their AI investment.
Okay, 92%, but...
But here's the kicker. Only 1% feel truly mature in their AI implementation.
1%. That's an enormous gap.
It's a massive unmet demand. And that gap, that's your prime opportunity as an AI consultant. #tag AI prompt engineering and coaching. Building on that idea of applying AI to solve business problems,
Right.
There's this unique and surprisingly profitable niche emerging.
Go on.
Mastering the art of speaking to AI. We're talking about AI prompt engineering and coaching.
Prompt engineering. Sounds technical, but is it?
It sounds technical, but it's fundamentally about cultivating expertise in crafting incredibly effective, precise instructions for AI models. The core service addresses a very real, very common problem.
Which is?
Many people, despite having access to powerful AI tools like ChatGPT, consistently struggle to write good, clear AI prompts.
Right, garbage in, garbage out, basically.
Exactly. They don't know how to articulate their needs in a way that gets the AI to produce the precise, high-quality, relevant results they actually need. It's frustrating for them.
So the prompt engineer bridges that gap.
Precisely. Your role is to provide direct solutions. You could offer, say, ready-made prompt templates that users can just plug and play.
Like recipes for AI?
Kind of, yeah. Or provide direct consulting and training services on how to craft optimal prompts themselves.
How would you sell templates?
You could sell comprehensive prompt template bundles tailored to very specific niches. Imagine e-commerce prompt packs for killer product descriptions or social media prompt packs for viral posts.
Niche down.
Always niche down. These collections could sell for anywhere from, say, $27 to $97 per collection. That's immense value for users struggling to get results.
Or maybe it's subscription.
Absolutely. Offer access to premium prompt libraries with regular updates, new additions, maybe for a recurring monthly subscription, $10 to $50 a month.
And consulting.
Direct coaching, yeah. And there's even this compelling anecdote I heard. Someone's selling a single, highly effective, well-crafted prompt for $150.
For one prompt. Wow.
It just highlights the incredible value of knowing how to speak the AI's language precisely and effectively. It's about turning confusion into clarity and unlocking the full potential of these tools for others.
Okay, on that note then, a common challenge definitely emerges. How does one consistently get better, more precise results from AI prompts? It feels like a bit of a dark art sometimes.
Right, you type something in, hope for the best.
Exactly. So what's the secret sauce? It fundamentally boils down, I think, to specificity and providing ample context.
More detail, less guessing from the AI.
Precisely. The most crucial advice for any aspiring prompt engineer, or frankly any user looking to improve their AI outputs, is to provide significantly more context and very specific details in your prompts.
Give me an example. Vague versus specific.
Okay, instead of a vague instruction like write about electric cars, you need to be much more precise. Specify your target audience, maybe first-time EV buyers concerned about range anxiety. Define the desired tone, perhaps reassuring and informative, but slightly informal. Exactly. Specify the exact format. A blog post comparing the top 3 models under $40K, or a short FAQ answering common charging questions. Maybe even an exact word count or paragraph limit.
Constraints help.
Constraints are crucial. You might even include negative constraints, like avoid technical jargon, or do not focus on luxury models. Providing these granular details guides the AI far more effectively.
So it's less likely to go off on a tangent.
Much less likely. It leads to outputs that are much closer to your actual expectations. Think of it like giving the AI a comprehensive, highly detailed creative brief, rather than just tossing a general topic its way.
Good analogy.
The more information you give it about your intent and the desired outcome, the exponentially better the AI can perform, and the more valuable your output becomes. It really is about quality input leading to quality output.
Makes perfect sense. Context is king. #tag digital marketing and sales support enhanced by AI. Okay, let's dive even deeper into the digital marketing world now, starting with AI-powered social media management.
Social media. AI must be a huge help there. It's so time-consuming.
Oh, absolutely. AI can truly revolutionize and significantly streamline workflows for social media managers and businesses. It allows them to handle multiple clients, diverse platforms, complex campaigns with, frankly, unprecedented efficiency.
What kind of services can AI power?
Think automated post-scheduling AI figuring out the optimal times for maximum reach and engagement. Intelligent content curation.
Finding stuff to share.
Exactly. AI identifying highly relevant, trending content to share based on your brand's niche and audience interests. Also, nuanced sentiment analysis.
Tracking what people are saying.
Yep. Monitoring social media conversations to gauge public opinion about a brand or campaign. Plus, seamless chatbot integration for instant, 247 customer support.
Handling basic questions automatically.
Right, freeing up human agents. Furthermore, AI can generate trending content ideas based on real-time data and optimize visuals using powerful AI design tools like Canva.
Which tools are key here?
For visuals, definitely Midjourney, DLE, Stable Diffusion. For text generation, ChatGPT, Claude Gemini. For the actual management, scheduling, analytics side.
The platforms.
Yeah, platforms like Sprout Social, Hootsuite, Sendable are key. Plus, more specialized tools like Later, Pally, and Tweet Hunter for specific tasks or platforms. #tag AI for ad campaign management. Following on from social media, AI also fundamentally transforms how you create and manage ad campaigns.
Making ads better, faster, cheaper.
Pretty much.
Yes.
It profoundly changes how businesses reach their target audiences. With AI, you can generate literally hundreds of creative variations and ad copies in mere seconds.
Hundreds, wow. For A/B testing.
Exactly. Allowing for extensive A/B testing and optimization on a scale that was previously just impossible manually. AI can also write compelling sales copy, impactful text, catchy headlines.
And the visuals.
Render different versions and sizes of ads for various marketing channels, Facebook, Google, Instagram, TikTok, ensuring optimal display and performance everywhere. Some advanced tools even go a step further.
Like what?
Rating the effectiveness of ads before they're even launched. Predicting which creative will perform best based on data.
That's powerful. Which tools do this?
Specific tools include AdCreative.ai, great for high-performing ads and social creatives. There's also MakeUGC.
Make UGC.
Yeah.
User-generated content.
Exactly. It's an AI tool specifically designed to generate content that looks like it was created by everyday people. Builds that authentic trust with consumers, which is huge for ads now.
Interesting angle.
Others, Pencil for AI-driven ad creative generation, and platforms like Adzuma and WordStream for overall ad management, bid optimization, performance analysis.
So the main benefit is speed and scale.
It's a huge benefit, yes. AI allows for ad creation and optimization much faster and, frankly, more intelligently than the average human marketer, which means you can take on significantly more clients, deliver superior results, and, make more money by scaling your services.
But it's not just about churning out ads faster.
No, absolutely not. It's also about the profound insight AI offers into real-time market response. You can run hundreds of A/B tests simultaneously, rapidly identify winning creatives, and pivot your strategy almost instantly.
Giving clients that agile edge.
Exactly. A data-driven edge that traditional ad agencies often struggle to match at the same speed or cost. Hashtag AI in email marketing and copywriting. Now let's talk email marketing and copywriting. Still incredibly important.
Absolutely. Despite all the new channels, email remains a surprisingly strong, high-return investment for businesses.
They continue to invest heavily, and for good reason. It consistently delivers strong ROI. AI plays a crucial role here, too.
How so? Better emails.
Yeah, helping you craft incredibly eye-catching content, write effective subject lines that grab attention, and significantly improve open rates.
Subject lines are half the battle.
Totally. And developing compelling copywriting that drives clicks, drives conversions, builds customer loyalty. HubSpot's own research found that an impressive 95% of marketers rate generative AI for email creation as effective.
95%, that's a strong endorsement.
It really is. It underscores its proven utility. Useful tools in this space include HubSpot itself, which integrates AI into its whole platform.
Right, built-in features.
Yeah. Copy.ai, again, for various marketing copy needs. And Omnisend is interesting. It offers powerful AI-powered email templates, sophisticated A/B testing for optimization, and even brand AI design integration.
Ensuring emails look and feel right for the brand.
Exactly. Personalized and on brand. What AI really enables here is hyper-segmentation and personalization at scale, making each email feel uniquely tailored to the recipient, which boosts engagement massively.
Moving beyond just dear first name.
Way beyond. True personalization based on behavior, preferences, purchase history. It's powerful stuff. Hashtag AI in website and app development. Hashtag building AI-powered websites. Okay, shifting focus again, let's talk web development. AI has made it surprisingly easy, incredibly efficient to create professional, functional, responsive websites super quickly.
Even without coding.
Often with absolutely no coding skills needed. This dramatically lowers the barrier to entry for aspiring web designers or just entrepreneurs who need a strong online presence without that steep learning curve of traditional coding.
So what are these AI website builders?
Popular ones include Wix ADI, that stands for Artificial Design Intelligence. It intelligently personalizes website creation based on your input about your business.
Okay.
Squarespace, known for its sleek, really aesthetically pleasing designs and easy-to-use templates. WordPress, of course, but enhanced with AI page builders like Elementor AI.
Making WordPress easier.
Simplifying it a lot, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Extensive drag-and-drop customization powered by AI suggestions. Zyro offers incredibly quick generation of complete sites. And newer platforms like Doric AI and Hostinger AI Website Builder are also making waves.
Offering advanced AI help.
Yeah, assistance with layout design, content generation, overall site optimization. Beyond the core building, AI can also help with design inspiration tools like the grid generate ideas based on your content.
And accessibility.
Good point. Tools like Wavy can perform accessibility checks, ensuring your site is usable for everyone. Critically, AI can also generate all the text you need for your site.
Headlines, descriptions.
Everything. Engaging headlines, compelling calls to action, detailed product descriptions, persuasive product names, varied blog content, using tools like, for example, Write Blogger's Suite, the product description generator, Rewriter, product name generator.
So you can launch faster.
Launch a fully populated professional website in a fraction of the time it once took. It's a massive accelerator. Hashtag developing apps in microsas with AI coding tools. Now, this next area, developing apps, and especially microsas, this represents a truly lucrative opportunity.
SaaS, software as a service. Micro meaning niche.
Exactly. Driven by the escalating demand for highly specialized niche software products that solve one particular problem really well. And AI coding tools, absolute game changers here.
Democratizing app development.
Totally. Tools like GitHub Copilot, Tab9, Deep Code, they significantly accelerate app creation. How? By providing intelligent code suggestions as you type, automatically troubleshooting common errors, generating boilerplate code.
Cutting down the grunt work.
Massively. Leading to dramatically reduced development time and fewer mistakes. But even more revolutionary, maybe, are the no-code, low-code platforms.
For non-coders.
Exactly. Platforms like Zapier for automation workflows, Bubble for building complex web apps visually, Glide for creating mobile apps from spreadsheets.
Bubble is powerful.
Incredibly powerful. Also, Replit, Lovable, Google Firebase for backend services, and AppyPie. These platforms empower individuals with little or no coding background to build fully functional, sophisticated applications in days rather than months.
Changing the entrepreneurial landscape.
Fundamentally, think about some popular, potentially profitable AI SaaS ideas. AI generators for tailored real estate listings, intelligent AI resume screening tools for HR teams.
Saving recruiters time.
Huge time saver. Automated legal document generators for common contracts, sophisticated client interaction bots, advanced content generation platforms, custom analytics dashboards providing deep business insights.
Lots of possibilities. How do you monetize these?
Very flexible and scalable models. You can implement tiered pricing basic, pro, enterprise plans, offer free trials to get users hooked, facilitate one-time purchases for specific features or templates, or, most lucratively,
Subscriptions.
recurring subscriptions. Niche software solutions often command anywhere from, say, $20 to $100 per month per user. That's substantial recurring revenue.
And AI helps build these faster.
It's truly transformative. You can now practically describe your SaaS idea in plain English to some AI tools, and they can initiate the building process.
Building the front end, back end.
Yeah, the front-end UI, the back-end logic, the database structure, the authentication system, even integrate payment processing for you. This rapid prototyping is just. It enables non-technical founders to bring complex ideas to market at lightning speed.
Really levels the playing field.
Okay, now if you're looking for a pathway to potentially making money in your sleep.
The passive income dream.
Exactly, generating passive income. Creating and selling AI-enhanced digital products is a fantastic and highly scalable option.
Create once, sell many times.
That's the beauty. Once the product is created and listed on a marketplace, it can continue to generate sales with minimal ongoing effort. Ideal passive income stream.
What kind of digital products are we talking about?
The possibilities are vast. Sophisticated digital planners for productivity nuts, versatile templates, social media posts, business plans, resumes, you name it. Comprehensive ebooks. Concise mini guides on super niche topics.
Online courses.
Definitely online courses. We'll touch on those more. And even private label rights PLR digital product.
PLR. Explain that.
That's content, maybe an ebook or templates that you buy the rights to, rebrand as your own, and then sell. AI can help massively in creating the original content for PLR providers or help you customize purchase PLR.
Ah, okay. So AI helps create all these.
It's your secret weapon throughout the whole process. ChatGPT is excellent for rapid writing content, chapters, guide outlines, brainstorming product concepts.
Canva, again, for design.
Absolutely. Canva, with its AI features, is perfect for designing professional, eye-catching covers, interior layouts, promotional graphics. Jasper and Midjourney are invaluable for generating stunning visuals and art to include within your products, making them way more appealing.
What about publishing?
For self-publishing, especially books, Publishing.ai positions itself as a one-stop shop, offering optimization tools, guidance specifically for platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Helps ensure your product reaches the widest possible audience.
Where do you actually sell these digital products?
Common effective platforms include Etsy, huge for planners, templates, digital art. Gumroad and Payhip are great for ebooks, courses, software, very flexible payment options. And Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, for ebooks and even print-on-demand physical books.
Any success stories?
There's a really compelling, relatable example often shared. A stay-at-home mom who, using AI significantly in the creation process, developed a children's activity planner.
Okay.
She strategically sold it on Etsy and, remarkably, earned $643 in her first 6 weeks.
Wow, from zero.
Without spending a single dollar on paid ads. That's real, tangible income from solving a tiny, specific problem for a very clear audience, all while leveraging AI for efficiency.
Inspiring. Shows it's possible. #tag online courses.
Building on that idea of digital products for entrepreneurs who have extensive knowledge or expertise in a particular field.
Subject matter experts.
Right. AI makes creating and going live with online courses a lot easier and faster than it used to be. You can package your specialized knowledge into valuable, structured learning experiences.
And generate passive income over time.
Exactly. AI can assist at pretty much every stage of course development, from the initial concept right through to final delivery.
Specifically.
ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini fantastic for generating detailed course scripts, concise summaries of complex topics, engaging quizzes to test comprehension, even brainstorming module ideas.
What about the video side?
For video enhancement and production, tools like Synthesia and Lumen 5 can turn your text scripts into engaging, professional-looking videos, often using AI avatars or animated elements so you don't even need to be on camera.
Screen recording.
Loom and Camtasia are excellent for screen recording, perfect for software tutorials or walking through presentations, and for high-quality audio lessons.
Audio editing.
Audacity, which is free, or Adobe Audition are indispensable for editing and mastering, making your voice sound great.
Okay, course created. Where do you host and sell it?
Numerous popular user-friendly platforms. Thinkific is a big one. They even have features like Leap for creating more immersive learning experiences. Teachable.
Kajabi. Kajabi is like an all-in-one.
Yeah, courses, website, email marketing, the whole package. Mighty Networks is great for building a community around your course. Udemy is a huge marketplace if you want broad reach. And LearnWorlds is another strong contender.
And monetization strategies. Beyond just selling the course.
Lots of options. One-time purchases for lifetime access. Subscription models for access to a library of courses or ongoing updates. Upsells for personalized coaching or mentorship.
Affiliate partnerships.
Definitely. Get others to promote your course for a commission, and even licensing your course content to businesses for their internal corporate training programs.
So AI just smooths the path.
Takes away a lot of the technical hurdles and the content creation grunt work, allowing you to focus on delivering your high-value expertise. #tag leveraging AI in personal finance as a service affiliate.
You know, shifting gears slightly, what's truly fascinating here is how AI is rapidly transforming personal finance management.
Making sense of money.
Exactly. And it's creating significant opportunities, not just for individuals managing their own money more effectively, but also for savvy entrepreneurs offering related services or content.
Moving beyond spreadsheets.
Oh, way beyond. The days of tedious manual spreadsheets and pure guesswork are quickly giving way to advanced algorithms working quietly behind the scenes, optimizing pretty much every part of your financial life.
What are the specific benefits AI brings to financial health?
They're profound, really. Automated budgeting, AI intelligently classifying spending, predicting cash flow, personalized financial advice, continuously analyzing income, spending patterns, goals to offer tailored suggestions.
Like a virtual advisor.
Kinda, yeah. Intelligent expense tracking, identifying sneaky subscriptions, predicting upcoming bills, smart investment management through AI-powered platforms.
Robo-advisors.
Exactly. Assessing risk tolerance, building diversified portfolios automatically. And savings optimization, detecting redundant services, identifying potential savings, recommending better deals on loans or insurance. It's about making financial literacy and effective management accessible to everyone.
So how can entrepreneurs monetize this space using AI?
The avenues are quite promising. Affiliate marketing is a particularly high commission opportunity here.
Why high commission?
Because you're referring people to high-value financial services. Think retirement accounts, wealth management platforms, mortgage providers. The lifetime value of those customers is huge.
Right, big numbers involved.
Huge. There's that widely known example of a guy who supposedly made over $200,000 from just 2,000 clicks. How? by strategically referring people to these types of high-value accounts.
$200 from 2K clicks. That's insane.
It sounds insane, but imagine getting a substantial percentage cut when someone transfers, say, a $500,000 retirement plan based on your referral. That's a serious payday.
Okay, I see the potential. Beyond affiliate.
You could also offer AI-powered trading services, maybe signals or analysis, or provide personalized financial consultation that's powered by predictive analytics, essentially mimicking successful robo-advisor models like Wealthfront, but maybe with your own human oversight, niche focus, or added coaching layer.
Empowering people with data.
Exactly. Empowering people to master their money with unprecedented ease and maximum impact, thanks to AI insights. Hashtag tag Tuzzers, other lucrative AI-powered niches.
Okay, let's round out this part with a few other, maybe slightly more surprising, but definitely lucrative AI-powered niches. Just shows the sheer breadth of AI's application in business.
Always curious about the unexpected one.
Right. First, forget generic travel blogs. That market is saturated.
Yeah, hard to stand out.
We're diving into ultra-niche travel. This is where the real gold is buried, I think. The key is getting super, super specific.
How specific?
We're not talking just travel guides. We're talking travel guides for installing and troubleshooting RV solar systems, or accessible theme park experiences for families with autistic children, or eco-friendly budget backpacking routes in northern Thailand.
Wow, okay. That is specific.
Sounds incredibly specific. That's the point. This hyper-niche approach leads to way less competition, more passionate, dedicated audiences, and potentially high commissions through targeted affiliate links for specialized gear, tours, accommodation within that niche.
And AI helps create this niche content.
Immensely. It can assist in creating hyper-personalized travel itineraries using tools like Roam Around, tailoring recommendations based on incredibly specific preferences, travel styles, budgets, far beyond what traditional travel agents can typically offer at scale.
Becoming the go-to expert in a tiny pond.
Exactly. Less competition, more fun, potentially high commissions. Next, a simple one. Generating business name ideas.
Naming businesses.
Yeah. Utilize free AI tools like ChatGPT to turn out thousands of creative, memorable business names, taglines, slogans, then submit them to contests on platforms like Naming Force. Winners earn money for their suggestions, businesses pay good money for distinctive names, and AI helps you generate options at scale.
Clever use of free tools.
Totally. Then there's AI-powered resume writing services, a really valuable service for job seekers.
And helping them stand out.
Exactly. Crafting compelling resumes and cover letters, using AI resume writers, ChatGPT for basic generation and content ideas, maybe more advanced platforms like Novoresume for sophisticated designs and ATS optimization.
ATS, applicant tracking systems.
Right. Tailoring documents specifically for those software filters companies use to scan and rank resumes, helping clients get past that initial digital screening. You could charge maybe up to $100 for a really effective resume refresh.
Helping people land jobs. Good service.
Yeah, definitely. AI SEO services are also in incredibly high demand. Businesses always need to improve online visibility and search rankings.
Constant battle.
It is, and AI is a powerful ally. You can provide AI-assisted services for on-page optimization, off-page link analysis, deep keyword research, content enhancement for readability and search performance, full SEO audits, technical SEO adjustments, detailed analytics reporting.
What tools are used here?
Tools like SEMrush, Surfer SEO, Alley AI, ClearScope, MarketMuse. They're invaluable, helping you deliver superior client results in significantly less time than purely manual methods.
Efficiency again?
Always. Now, here's a growing and increasingly critical service. AI content detection.
Detecting deepfakes and AI writing.
Exactly. As deepfake tech advances and AI content gets more sophisticated, there's this rising need for authenticity verification. You could offer a service to influencers, businesses, political leaders, media organizations.
To verify content isn't fake or AI generated.
Precisely. Identify deepfakes, detect AI text, images, videos. Helps them ensure authenticity, protect their brand reputation, combat misinformation. The demand for reliable detection is only going to grow, I think.
Interesting. Very timely.
For sure. AI-powered affiliate marketing is another massive opportunity we touched on, but worth reiterating. AI tools significantly enhance affiliate efforts, assisting with personalized content creation that resonates deeply with specific audience segments, optimizing your website and landing pages for search engines to drive organic traffic, precisely identifying targeted audiences most likely to convert. AI can observe vast search trends, market data.
Pinpointing profitable products.
Exactly. Helping you make data-driven decisions about what to promote makes it an even more potent source of passive income.
Smart.
And finally, print-on-demand POD with AI designs, a wonderfully accessible path to passive income.
We mentioned merch earlier.
Right, but this is focusing just on the design and platform aspect. The process is straightforward. Choose a POD niche apparel, accessories, home decor, wall art, whatever. Use AI design tools, Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, maybe Vexels for editable vectors.
To create unique designs.
Unique, eye-catching commercial designs catering to your niche. Upload these designs to platforms like Printful or Printify. They handle all the manufacturing, shipping, customer service.
So you hold no inventory.
Zero inventory. Or upload directly to marketplaces like Redbubble. You earn a profit margin on each product sold. You can even offer custom design services to other POD sellers or sell design templates in bundles.
Multiple ways to monetize the designs.
Exactly. It's a volume game planting those digital money seeds. Allows you to generate income potentially for years with minimal ongoing effort once the designs are up.
Lots of creative and service angles there.
So wow. After exploring all those truly incredible, diverse avenues for income generation, let's just take a moment to leap back and reiterate the fundamental transformative advantages AI brings to the entrepreneurial table.
Boil it down.
Yeah. The biggest takeaway for me, honestly, is just how powerful and accessible AI tools have become. This isn't some futuristic concept just for Google or Meta anymore.
It's in everyone's hands, potentially.
It really is, which means you can realistically start most of these ventures we discussed with zero, or at least very minimal, upfront costs. Depends on the specific tools, of course, but many have free tiers.
Lowering the barrier to entry.
Massively lowering the barrier to entry compared to traditional side hustles or starting a small business from scratch makes it possible for almost anyone with a good idea and some dedication to actually get started.
I largely agree with that. And I'd emphasize again how AI truly empowers individuals and businesses by automating those head-scratching, time-consuming, repetitive tasks.
The ones we all hate doing.
The ones we all hate. The tasks these do the bog us down for hours, sometimes days. This automation frees up incredibly precious time.
Time for what?
Time that could be reinvested in strategic planning, refining your unique value proposition, or, critically, building stronger, more authentic relationships with your clients. For businesses, this translates directly into profoundly streamlined operations and a significant boost in efficiency across the board.
Let the machines handle the routine stuff.
Exactly. The technology handles the nitty-gritty, the data crunchings, the first drafts, allowing the human element to innovate, to lead, to focus on high-level decision-making and creative direction. It's about letting machines do what they do best, so humans can do what we do best.
That synergy again. Okay, but as with any powerful, rapidly evolving technology, there's always a flip side, isn't there?
Always risks, always challenges.
Right, and it's crucial, absolutely crucial, to be fully aware of the pitfalls to avoid when leveraging AI for income. Understanding these challenges isn't about being scared off. It's about building a robust, sustainable, ethical, AI-powered business.
Being realistic.
Exactly. First, let's just acknowledge some significant ethical considerations that are always in play. We're talking about issues like accidental plagiarism if you're not super careful reviewing AI output.
Especially with text generation.
Definitely. And privacy issues. Huge ones. If you're feeding sensitive or proprietary client data, or even your own data, into public AI models without proper safeguards, that's risky.
Where did that data go?
Good question. Remember, AI is really only as powerful and as responsible as the information it processes and the systems it's built into. Carelessly feeding it private, sensitive, or unchecked data can lead to unintended, potentially harmful results for you or your clients. You have to be mindful of your data inputs and transparent about usage.
That definitely brings up a critical point. Are we, as a society, maybe sometimes overestimating AI capabilities?
The hype effect again.
Yeah, many entrepreneurs dive in with these really unrealistic expectations, believing AI can solve any problem magically.
Yeah.
Which leads, inevitably, to disappointment and project failures.
So what can it do well?
Well, while AI truly excels at pattern recognition, rapid content generation, scalable data analysis, things it does at a speed and volume, humans simply cannot match. It still struggles significantly with common sense reasoning.
Real-world understanding.
Exactly. Genuine empathy, complex creative problem solving that requires nuanced human judgment. It lacks true understanding, lacks a moral compass. It's
Right.
pattern matching, very sophisticated pattern matching, but not true cognition yet.
Any data on project failures?
Some studies suggest that a shocking 70% to 80% of corporate AI projects fail,
70 to 80%. Why?
often due to precisely these misaligned expectations about what AI can realistically deliver
Yeah.
and the inherent technical limitations of the AI itself. It's not a magic brain. It's a powerful, yes, but specialized tool that absolutely requires human direction and critical oversight.
That's a crucial distinction to keep in mind. And stemming from that, neglecting the legal and ethical side of things.
Yeah.
That's a major trap, right?
Huge trap. It's absolutely critical to be aware of and comply with the evolving landscape of copyright law, especially concerning AI-generated content ownership and usage rights.
Data privacy, too.
Data privacy regulations like GDPR in Europe or CCPA in California, transparency requirements about when and how AI is being used, and understanding the very real potential for bias in AI outputs.
Bias baked into the data.
Often, yes. Bias baked into the training data or the algorithms themselves. As an entrepreneur in this space, you simply must research the relevant regulations in your industry and target markets. You need to develop clear internal policies for data handling and AI usage.
And address bias.
Proactively address potential biases in the AI models or data you use. You have to actively work to avoid discriminatory or unfair outcomes, and be transparent with your customers about how and where AI is utilized in your services or products.
Builds trust. Avoids trouble.
Exactly. This proactive approach not only builds trust and strengthens your brand long-term, but it also protects you legally from potential headaches and liabilities down the line.
Okay, another potential pitfall. Commoditization.
Yes. Everyone having the same tools.
Right. Simply offering AI-powered services might not be enough in a rapidly evolving market where everyone quickly gains access to the same foundational models, the same basic tools. How do you avoid just competing on price?
Becoming a commodity.
Yeah. To avoid becoming a commodity where clients just choose the cheapest option, you need to develop proprietary methodologies or unique frameworks. Ways you enhance AI outputs or apply them in novel, more effective ways.
Adding your secret sauce.
Exactly.
You must build deep, industry-specific knowledge that informs how you apply AI uniquely and impactfully for your specific niche. Consider creating unique data sets, if possible, or custom training approaches that give your results a distinct edge over generic AI solutions.
Focus on outcomes, not just the tech.
Absolutely. Your focus must be on the specific, tangible outcomes and superior results you deliver to your clients, rather than just shouting, "We use AI." Your unique expertise, your problem-solving approach, the bespoke solutions you offer, that's what will truly differentiate you.
Makes sense. And finally, maybe the biggest mistake.
Neglecting the human experience.
Bingo. Neglecting the human experience in favor of pure automation. While AI can automate countless tasks and scale operations incredibly, that human touch remains absolutely essential.
For trust, for connection, for building trust, fostering genuine long-term relationships, and delivering truly exceptional, empathetic customer experiences. The most successful AI-powered businesses, I believe, understand this crucial balance.
How do they maintain it?
They maintain clear, open communication about where and how AI is used, full transparency. They provide human oversight and intervention at critical points, especially for sensitive tasks, complex problem solving, or handling nuanced customer interactions.
Humans in the loop.
Humans strategically in the loop. And most importantly, they utilize AI to enhance, rather than replace, human creativity, judgment, and emotional intelligence. The technology should always serve your business goals and, critically, your customers' needs, not the other way around.
Augmenting, not supplanting.
That's the key. Augmenting human capability, not supplanting it entirely. # future-proofing your AI business.
So, okay. Taking all that into account, the opportunities, the pitfalls, what does this all mean for you, the listener, on your journey to making money with AI? How do you not just enter this fast-paced landscape, but actually maintain relevance, stay competitive, achieve sustained profitability?
Future-proofing, it's crucial.
It really is. It's about being incredibly proactive and strategically forward-thinking. First off, Continuous learning. It's not just important, it's absolutely non-negotiable.
The field changes weekly, almost daily.
It feels like it. The AI landscape is evolving at breakneck speed. New models, new tools, new applications emerging constantly. You have to dedicate specific time, maybe weekly, to actively experiment with new AI tools and techniques.
Stay curious.
Stay curious. Make it a habit to follow industry publications, cutting-edge research papers, participate actively in relevant online communities, forums, learn from peers, from experts, and seriously consider taking online courses on emerging AI tech.
Constant upskilling.
It's the only way. The AI landscape is a constantly moving target, and staying informed and adaptable is your absolute best defense against becoming obsolete.
Good point. What else?
Second, focus relentlessly on building proprietary assets. While the underlying AI tools themselves, like ChatGPT, might eventually become commoditized, accessible to everyone, you can create lasting, defensible value through what you uniquely own and control.
What kind of assets?
This could include proprietary datasets that you curate or create, which significantly improve AI performance for your specific niche, custom workflows or unique methodologies that cleverly combine AI with your specific human expertise.
Unique process.
Exactly. And deep, specialized industry-specific knowledge where general AI solutions simply fall short because they lack the context. These unique assets, whether it's a finely tuned AI model trained on your data or a specific consulting framework you developed, are your true differentiators. Stuff AI itself can't easily replicate.
Building your moat.
Building your moat, exactly.
Yeah.
And finally, perhaps most importantly, cultivate your brand and nurture your relationships.
The human side again.
Always comes back to the human side. In an increasingly automated world, trust, authentic human connections, and a strong personal or company brand. These things transcend the specific technologies you happen to be using today.
They're long-term assets.
Invaluable long-term assets that AI simply cannot replicate. Your reputation for quality, your network of satisfied clients, the trust you painstakingly build with them over time. That will be your most valuable currency, your ultimate shield against commoditization. Focus on delivering exceptional human-centric value, even when you're leveraging powerful AI behind the scenes.
Wise words. Technology changes, relationships endure. Hashtag tag outro.
Wow, what an incredible journey we've been on today. Seriously. We've covered such a truly diverse array of opportunities, from enhancing creative content generation, AI-assisted writing, building those scalable, faceless YouTube channels,
To offering innovative services.
yeah, AI consulting, that surprisingly lucrative prompt engineering niche, even building the foundations of the digital world with AI-powered websites and apps.
And generating passive income through AI-enhanced digital products.
Right. The core message here, I think, is undeniably clear. AI is not just some passing fad. It is a profoundly powerful tool, a tool designed to enhance your existing skills, automate those tedious tasks we all dislike, and solve very specific, often high-value problems for other people or businesses.
Opening up new avenues.
Completely new and exciting avenues for income generation, absolutely.
And as you, our listener, reflect on this deep dive, maybe consider this provocative thought. In a world where AI can automate so much of the repetitive, the analytical work, what truly becomes most valuable? What becomes irreplaceable?
What's left for humans?
It's your unique human abilities, your critical thinking, your creative problem solving, genuine empathy, strategic vision, the profound capacity to connect authentically with other humans. These are the qualities AI currently struggles, perhaps will always struggle, to replicate authentically.
Our core humanity.
Exactly. And these qualities will become even more sought after, even more financially valuable when they are synergistically combined with the power of AI. So we challenge you. Identify where your unique human abilities intersect with the power of AI.
Where can you apply this combination?
Where can you apply this powerful combination in your own career, your own entrepreneurial journey? Don't be afraid to start small. Maybe pick just one of the ideas we've discussed today that sparked something in you.
Test the waters.
Test it out. Iterate. Make continuous refinements based on what you learn, what the market tells you. Remember, this deep dive, it isn't the finish line.
Just the beginning.
It's merely the starting point of your exciting, potentially very rewarding, AI-powered income exploration. The future, as they say, is yours to build. Go experiment.